Dear learner, myself Mr. Umase MD, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, Govindrao Nikam College of Pharmacy, Savarde. Today we are going to discuss about fermentation. Before going into the details of the lecture, what are the learning outcomes? By having this lecture, you will understand what is fermentation. You will enlist various examples of products of fermentation, reproduce various steps of fermentation, and explain the steps of upstream and downstream processes. So, what is fermentation? In fermentation, you are growing a microbial culture. This microbial culture is you are growing in a suitable nutrient and environmental condition, and thereby you are converting feed into desired end product. So for the microorganism, you are providing a nutrient media, you are providing suitable environmental condition like temperature and pH, and thereby you are converting feed into desired end product. Well-known example of a fermentation is you are converting a milk into curd. In this, milk acts as a feed and curd acts as a desired end product, where you are using a microbial culture called Lactobacillus acidophilus. Like this, various industrial products like lactic acid, ethyl alcohol, acetic acid are produced. Various pharmaceutical products are also prepared like antibiotics, probiotics, enzymes, etc. Now, let's see various component parts of a fermentation process. The fermentation process is divided into 6 steps. First one, you are formulating the media. Second one, you are carrying out the sterilization of a media, fermenter, and ancillary equipment. Third step is you are preparing the active pure inoculum and you are developing a inoculum in a stepwise manner. In fourth step, actual product formation is carried out by growing the microorganism. In fifth step, you are carrying out the extraction and purification of the product, and last one is whatever the waste products, that is effluents, are formed, you are treating it. So these 6 steps are divided into 2 types of processes. Upstream process, which involves first 4 steps, that is formulation of media, its sterilization, preparation and development of active inoculum, and actual product formation. And last one, downstream process, which involves step number 5 and 6, that is extraction and purification of the product and effluent treatment. This is the schematic representation of a fermentation process, where I have shown 6 steps. First step is media formulation, second step is sterilization, third step is inoculum development, fourth step is actual production of a product, fifth step is product purification and its purification, and sixth step is effluent treatment. So, what are the various factors which affects the process of fermentation? Just pause the video and think about what are the various steps and what are the various factors which affects the process of fermentation. Have you thought on this question? There are various factors which affects the process of fermentation are temperature, which directly affects the growth of a microorganism, same as pH, which also directly affects the process of fermentation. Inoculum, which should be active, pure and in log phase, so that is also affecting the process of fermentation. Different media constituents, because they are directly linked with the growth of a microorganism. Which microorganism you are using for the process of fermentation, then whether any contamination in the fermentation of or not, and how you are carrying out the downstream processes, how you are recovering the product, that is also affecting the fermentation process. Thank you.